Hello everyone, in today's video I am trying to explain the LeetCode challenge maximum score performing multiplication operation. So in which they will give us a two list numbers and multipliers. So our goal is to get a maximum score by multiplying multiplier with numbers. So as you can see in this first example, what they do, they multiply 3 with 3, 2 with 2 and 1 with 1 and get a maximum result of 14. As same you can see in example number 2, what we gonna do, we multiply 5 by 10, 3 by 5 and then we multiply 7 by 6, 4 by 1. In short, what we gonna do, we multiply a maximum number with a maximum number and the minus minimum number with minus minimum number. So let's jump into the code and see how they provide us with a solution. So here is a solution that LeetCode give to us. First of all, what they do, they calculate the length of m and n and then create a dynamic array the length of m. In suppose our input is a 1 2 3, so our length of the dynamic array becomes 4. So like our DP looks like this, and then they iterate through the range of m minus 1. So what that means, they start from iterating from last element and go till first element. First of all, they create an copy of a dynamic array and then they create another for loop that for left side of the list and append the dynamic left element by max of multiplier multiply by left side of the number plus next row plus 1, or multiplier multiply by right side of the number plus next row, and then after this process they returns the dynamic left side array like first element of our DP. So I add some print statement to the code so we can better understand it. So here in a code I take an input as a 1 2 3 and multiplier as a 3 2 1. So first of all they calculate the length of multiplier and the length of number, then they create a dynamic array of length of m plus 1. So in our example the length will be, the length of multiplier is 3 and 3 plus 1 4, and then they start a for loop for OP in range of m minus 1 minus 1 and minus 1. It means like they start from 3 and go to till 1, it become ones. So let me run the code and let's see. So here you can see, so we are in a for loop and our first copy of dynamic programming was 40 and our OP was 2. In a for loop our range start with a 2 because our OP is 2, and our left side was 2 and our multiplier was 1 and our number was 3 because we take left side of the number. After that what we do, we assign the value to the left element of the DP by maxing the multiplier OP and left num plus next row plus 1, and we max between multiply OP next n minus 1 OP like it was a first we check for a left side of the number and then we check for a right side of the number and take a max of that 2 and append it to the DP. So our first DP was 3 cause 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then our left become 1, our second DP was a 2, our third DP was a 1. So after one iteration our first DP becomes 1 2 3 and 0. After that our OP becomes 1, left becomes 1 and multipliers become 2. So as you can see here, we started from here and we arrive at here. Our number is 2, we started from 3, we started from back of the number list and arrive at the middle. Our number was 2. So after that our leftmost DP becomes 8, our multiplier was 2 and our number was 1. Then our leftmost DP become 5. So our next row become 5 8 3 and 0. Now we come to our first element of our list, it was 1 and 3. So our multiplier was 3 and our number was 1 and our DP was 14. So the 14 was the maximum answer, and done. If you wanna check this code, I can share the link on the description. And yeah, that's it for my side. Thank you for watching. See you soon.